What is the nature of science? Such a large and vague question can have no one simple answer. So I believe if we want to understand what the nature of science is, we must first understand what science itself is. Science, as defined by dictionary.com, is a systematic knowledge of the physical or material world around us, gathered through observation and experimentation. And while there can be no definite answer to what the nature of science is, what I believe is the nature or purpose of science is to improve upon itself using the knowledge that is acquired through such observations. Such improvements to our world have been made with the inventions of computers, cars, airplanes, gaming consoles, and even cell phones. And through technological evolution, scientists have even improved on all these devices to make them even more attractive, personalized, and compact. For you see, that is the nature of science, to take something simple and ordinary and make it extraordinary. While it seems like a harmless and even good-natured thing to do, improving upon our world and shedding the light of knowledge upon what has always been accepted has oftentimes been met with opposition. Great minds like Galileo have been prosecuted for their studies. Galileo applied his studies and observation to the great scientific theory that the world was neither flat nor the center of the universe, but is actually spherically shaped, and, like all other planets of our solar system, orbits around the sun. For these discoveries, he was excommunicated from the Catholic Church and forced to live under house arrest so as not to spread his lies to anyone else. Fortunately, the times have seen some change, and people are much more open to changing their lives. Modern advances in science, such as the possibility of the creation of a cloak of invisibility, or even the possibility of life on Mars, have been met with much more open embrace. But with the nature of science being that it will always improve upon itself, that doesn't mean the improvements have to be monumental. Without certain advances in science, we wouldn't be able to have simple things like music, dubstep for example.
And hit me with technology.
This is it. Awesome.
Was something created in the music industry just a few years ago, and without little inventions such as synthesizers and sound sampling boards, dubstep would cease to exist. But thanks to years of scientific advances and improvements, we have been able to create one of the largest musical fads in history. So whether it be an Xbox 360, an iPod Touch, television, your computer, or even just your car, science has always been there to make what you love and find entertainment in more enjoyable. And that is the nature of science.